That's it. Nurse.
I knew that match was going to be a grueling fight. You know, he's a marathon man, and that's exactly what today was. It was a battle I've never been in before. But I think the rounds leading up to the final today helped me to be prepared for it, and I was able to sustain it, the battle and outlast him. I didn't think I'd be saying that, but I'm very glad that I'm the last one standing. I'm very unfortunate for him to have that ab cramp at the end of the third set, 6-5, me being up. But that's tennis. It happens, and I just had to keep my focus when I saw him, cramping up and taking delays, even the light delays with the power outage. It kind of threw off the momentum, but I was able to hold my own and come out on top tonight.
Bradley has been a good campaigner since the first match I saw him play, and I knew I was in for a hard match today, and I tried to stay with him as long as I could. Ironically, the game was decided by just one single point. I mean, it was very close throughout, as I said, a lot of long rallies, and it's just unfortunate that the medical professionals intervened, and I had to defer to their better judgment and concede the match.